Fasting has been practiced for centuries for religious or health reasons. But did you know there are science-backed health benefits to fasting? Let's explore 6 science-backed health benefits of fasting. Number 1. Supports weight loss and fat burning. Clinical research shows fasting can help with weight loss and fat burning. When you fast, your body goes through a process called ketosis, where instead of burning glucose for energy, it burns stored fat. One study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that intermittent fasting led to more significant weight loss than traditional daily calorie restriction. Another study showed that intermittent fasting helped reduce body weight, waist circumference, and visceral fat, which is fat around internal organs in overweight or obese adults without any additional weight loss interventions. Number 2. Improves insulin sensitivity. Fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing type 2 diabetes. When you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which raises blood sugar levels. This triggers the pancreas to release insulin, which helps cells absorb glucose for energy. However, people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes don't respond well to insulin, leading to high blood sugar. Fasting can help improve this situation. A study published in Diabetes Care found that intermittent fasting for 12 weeks significantly reduced fasting insulin levels in people with type 2 diabetes compared to continuous energy restriction. Another study demonstrated that prolonged fasting for up to 3 days led to improvements in glucose regulation and insulin sensitivity, even without weight loss. These benefits highlight how fasting can be a valuable tool for managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Promotes cellular repair and autophagy. Fasting can promote cellular repair and renewal through a process called autophagy. During autophagy, cells break down and recycle old or damaged components, contributing to overall cellular health and longevity. Research suggests that this process plays a role in protecting against age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and cancer. Several studies have explored the relationship between fasting and autophagy. For example, a study published in the journal Aging Cell found that intermittent fasting activated autophagy and reduced the accumulation of toxic protein aggregates in the brain, which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases. Another study published in Cell Reports demonstrated that fasting enhanced the anti-cancer effects of chemotherapy in mice by promoting autophagy and reducing the side effects of treatment. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and metabolic syndrome. Research suggests that fasting can help reduce inflammation markers in the body. A study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine found that intermittent fasting reduced inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein and interleukin-6 in overweight or obese individuals. Another study demonstrated that prolonged fasting reduced pro-inflammatory cytokines and chemokines, which are small proteins involved in immune responses, while increasing anti-inflammatory cytokines like interleukin-10. These findings suggest that fasting may help manage inflammatory conditions and potentially lower the risk of related diseases. Number 5. Supports heart health. Several studies have investigated the impact of fasting on heart health. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that intermittent fasting improved blood pressure, total cholesterol, triglycerides, and resting heart rate in overweight or obese adults. Another study demonstrated that prolonged fasting for up to 3 days led to significant reductions in total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels in people with metabolic syndrome. These findings suggest that fasting may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by improving lipid profiles and other heart health markers. And number 6, may enhance brain function. Some research indicates that fasting may enhance brain function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. A study published in the journal Nature Medicine found that intermittent fasting increased levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and maintenance of neurons. Another study demonstrated that prolonged fasting reduced oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between fasting and brain health, these studies suggest that fasting may offer potential benefits for cognitive function and neuroprotection. Remember, fasting isn't suitable for everyone, especially children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, or those with certain medical conditions. Consult a healthcare provider before starting any fasting regimen. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.